Hello, my beautiful Taurus. How are you guys doing? We're just going to do our quick manifestation moonology just to find out our energy for the week so we could proceed forward. What is our energy spirits for this week? What are we feeling? Woo. Come on, spirits, talk to us. What is our energy for this week? Please let our Taurus know. Please share with Taurus the energy for the week. Hope all is well. Yes. Here we go. Spirits, talk to us. The roses kiss. The roses kiss. You notice how calm we are and the energy that we're experiencing, how beautiful it is. Oh my goodness. It's just like we're opening up another chapter. This is a beautiful thing because it's so sultry. It's like deep satisfaction and enjoyment, desires. It says, it's like when you think of flowers, you take a deep breath. You're in your mode of great expectation where you're feeling content, you're feeling happy, you're experiencing a calmness where your thoughts are floating. Because think about it, you see the bee on the rose and everything. It's just a sense of awareness, a sense of freeness, a sense of caring. You don't have any worries on your mind right now, Taurus. You're just enjoying life. You're connecting with nature. You you might be having some good sex right now. It's just you have this calmness, this nature type spell surrounding you. You're in your enjoyment of life phase. That is your energy this week. Enjoying your life and giving gratitude and appreciating what you have. Stay in that mode. That's a good place to be in. Positive vibes, positive energy. Enjoy your week. Peace, love, and prosperity. Garnetqueentarot here. Go ahead, Taurus. I love this vibe. Very positive. It's just a natural flow of things, a natural order of things. You're letting life take its course. Good for you. Have a good one. Peace and love.